we'll start with one very simple description that you've actually already seen, right? We talked about the Shi and Tomasi feature tracker, and basically it's this idea of only compute motion where you should. We talked about this when we talked about the Harris corners, and we talked about how to analyze that second moment matrix. And we said, well, there are other ways of analyzing that second moment matrix, including the eigenvectors and eigenvalues there. And we said that there was this Shi and Tomasi thing called good features to track, the thing that OpenCV made use of. And basically, the idea was that just track points that you can track reliably. Their basic algorithm was the following. You basically, from frame to frame, you're going to do Lucas and Canati pure little translational motion, right? That, remember, the idea was that we assume that within a given small patch, we're going to find some translation, all right? And what's nice about that is that's pretty robust for sort of small neighborhoods. You know, you can basically say that they're all translating. Then what you do, and we're not going to go into this too much here, is we're going to take those points that have moved and look for an affine consistency. So the idea is for each of the little points that you've tracked using the translation, is there an affine model that maps the tracked points to the original points? And then you can compare those back to the original. And that's exhibited here. So here's an initial image, and you can see this little sign in there. It says 25 miles an hour, and here they're getting closer, and here you're zooming past. So the sign is both translating, right? It's moving to the left in the image, and it's also expanding, all right? And here you can see the frames that have been recovered, or I should say you can see the region that has been recovered through the tracking. And the idea is that all the points in the sign, remember it's on a plane at moderate distance, which means it's a perfect affine transform, all those points are moving in a particular affine transform as you move across the image sequence. And like I said, that was this good features to track, which later got incorporated into OpenCV for doing estimation of motion.